This lesson is 4.8 in Go Math on dividing using partial quotients. Let's go ahead and look at number 2, number 6, and we'll look at number 10. Okay, so here we go. Very first, we're going to look at our dividend, which is the number doing the cutting. The dividend is the number being cut. The divisor is the number doing cutting. So 258 is our dividend. 6 is our divisor. So we need to find a multiple of our divisor, which is 6. Again, we're looking at number 2. So if I think of my multiples of 6, let's do our twinkle, twinkle, little star for multiples of 6. Ready? We're going to stop when we get below 25. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Okay. 6, 12, 18.
24.
Did we find it?
Yeah.
What is it?
24.
And we're going to do 24 tens. Okay, so write 24 tens, or 240, under the 258. Now we're going to divide that by, what's our divisor? 6. Find the basic fact and then you divide. 24 divided by 6 is 4, and tens. Count the 0 and place it close by. Now, because we took 240, that whole big chunk out of 258, what are we going to do? We're taking it out, so we're going to subtract. Okay, so 8 minus 0 is? 5 minus 4 is? 2 minus 2 is? Okay, so then we have 18 left over for our dividend, right? So let's do 18 divided by 6 equals 3. Yes. So now we get to add our partial quotients of 40 and 3 to get
43.
Yes, 43. So our answer is 43. Put it up on top. Okay, let's do, what did I say, 6? Okay, let's look at number 6. It says divide and use rectangular models to record the partial quotients. So I know, here's my rectangular model. What's our divisor? 5 is our divisor, so we could put that over there. Remember, it's like being cut like that. Okay, so how are we going to break apart our dividend of 605? Remember, we have to find multiples of 5. So what multiple of 5 is less than 605?
600.
We could do 600. We could do 600. What if we wanted to do, let's do 500, because I know my tens times table is really good. So I'm going to do 500. Okay. What do I have left?
105.
105. So what if I break it up into 5 over here and 100 here? Do those all add up to be 605? Do I know those facts pretty well?
Yeah.
Sure, I do. So 5 times, remember area model is this times that. This times that. So 5 times what is 500? Everybody, what? 100. Write your plus sign. Okay, 5 times what is 100? Think and say 20. Yeah, because if we did 10 divided by 5, that would give us 2, and it's 10 tens, or 100. Okay, now we have 5 divided by 5, which is what? 1. We add all those together, and what do we get?
121.
Fabulous. Okay, so for the next section, it says use either way to record the partial quotients. I'm going to let you choose either way for you to do it. We will look at number 10, though. Okay, so number 10, and I'm just going to write it to the side over here so that you can see it. So it says, let's read it and do cube. Ready? Go. Allison took 112 photos on vacation. She wants to put them in a photo album that holds 4 photos on each page. How many pages can she fill? Okay, so we have, what is our dividend? What is our dividend?
112. 112.
112. It's the number being cut. We're going to cut those 112 photos and put them in separate pages. And only 4 photos can fit on each page, right? So let's write 112 over here. So we have 112 divided by 4. Okay, does that go evenly? No, I need to find a multiple of 4 that is less than 11. So let's do our 4 song and get to just under 11. Ready? Go. 4, 8, 12. Do I want to go to 12? No, so I want to go to 8. So let's do 8 tens because we have 112. So 8 tens divided by 4 equals 20. Good job, everybody writing this down. 20. Okay, so we just took out 80, so that means we're going to subtract. Good. Okay, so 2 minus 0 is 2, and 11 minus 8 is 11 minus 8 is
2.
Let's count with our hands if you're not sure. It's fine, you always have this tool. So 11 minus 8, okay? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay? So it's 3. 32 divided by 4 is 8 times what is 32? 4. Okay. I just told you. Sorry. So, yes. 4 times what is 32? The answer is 4 times what is 32? 8. Good. Sorry, I kind of messed you up that first time. And then we add our partial quotients of 20 and 8 to find 28. Good job. Okay. So how many pages can she fill? 28 pages. Very good. You guys are going to do great.